Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. And I'm going to be working in my dearest, this is my Bridgerton. It's a notebook, and this is where I do all my art. So I pulled out, let's get this down here. I pulled out two sheets, and of course it has this color of the spine. So I just covered that with copy paper. And this is the book. I'm going to bring this book in. This book is so gorgeous. It is beautiful. And I know my planner friend Estella is going to love this. I got this on Amazon, and it's called Sound of Wind. And it is, every page is just gorgeous. Look at these boxes. I mean, it's nothing fancy, but the colors are just gorgeous. And it's so hard to try and decide which to use. Now these, I've got quite a few of these sticker books on Amazon, and there's so many themes in here. And the first half is clear, and the second half of the book is paper. It's just gorgeous, and it's all black women, and the colors are just beautiful in here. So I thought I would just kind of do something. I really don't know, but I don't like the white papers, so I'm going to do a little distressing, and I have, this is Tim Holtz Distressed Ink, and it's antique linen. So what I'm going to do first is bring in my folder so I can do this lightly, and it's just going to take the, I'm not going to, do this to make it a colored paper. I'm just going to do it to, just to get the starkness, the whiteness off. And, this is very light, this antique linen, and you probably can just see a very little difference on camera, but I like this. It's like a yellowy, like a little tint of yellowy on here. And already I'm loving it because it's taking that whiteness off. But with some decorating, the whiteness is nice, and I like to have it, but not on everything that I want to play with, because this is my playtime when I bring out this book. I know I want to do something with those stickers. I really don't know what, but it is gorgeous. So much better with this little antique color on here. Okay, so we're going to put this away. And let's see, I hope I have all the things out here that I need. So my paper's bent a little bit over there, but that's okay. And this is morning crafting, and I know I should have brought my cup of tea because this is when my allergies, it takes me like all day long to get my voice normal. So they have these gorgeous flowers in here. Look at that. And I get so indecisive when I go through here. Like, I want to bring these tulips in. I just don't know where. So we have a corner one here. We have a straight piece. And I think I'm going to bring this straight down here, and maybe the corner one up there, and these white ones over here. I don't know. Let's just get busy. And I do have, I don't know. I'm just thinking so so much. You know, I'm thinking, do I want to put washi tape on the bottom? And they have this little strip of clear that I want to bring all the way down to the bottom, because I don't, it's going to give me that little ridge. So let me get all these little stickers off me. Okay, and I think I'm just going to I'm going to put this on here just so I have it finished. And you know what? I don't think I could I put this on top? Yes, I could. Yeah, that's not a straight piece. It's only straight on the side. Today we have another cloudy day with chance of rain. So what do we have here now? And I believe there's only one page of this. And we do have these. Now these are different flowers. But you know what? I think I'm going to be using them all. Oh, but this is a straight piece, so I really can't do that unless well, I could. I'm going to bring the other white flowers next to it. I just want to get all these flowers down here. And we'll bring these white flowers, these white tulips in right here. Do I want to do that? I mean, we do have boxes in here that are so pretty, or I can bring something else next to it. Have to get these stickies off, otherwise they're really going to gum up my scissors. Okay, now let's see, what else can I bring here? Oh my gosh, look at these. Oh my, they're just so gorgeous. Look. Oh my gosh, look at this here. Do what you say. Some of the quotes here are just, I don't understand them. Do what you say, say what you do, that's okay. But this one here, when it has is lost, brave to give up. Unless it's when it, I just don't understand that. So we could put these flowers maybe next to that, and then this little outdoor cafe, or just maybe a girl standing next to it. So we have that there. And maybe the girl. Let's just take a look and see what we have here. When you look at the book, you know, like when you're purchasing it and they have pictures, they had like a little setup of this, and they had this picture coming off the side. This little cafe. I just thought it looked so pretty. But it also had all the flowers on top. They just give you like a little promo of what it looks like some of the decorating scenes. But of course they're putting it on smaller. I think they're using like a smaller book, so everything looks big. And this book I'm using, it's just you know, so much bigger. Okay, look at this. Oh, gosh. Maybe I get some flowers up on top, just so that I have something there. And now this looks like a corner piece here. Whoops, we don't want to go down there. You know what, that went on crooked, but and let's see, I think I'm going to bring this on the top, maybe over here. Gosh, I'm not even thinking. I'm just kind of like putting it down. And then maybe we have these little randos. One there. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I can pick this up. I'll have to get a small piece to stick over there. And this one here, I think I may put, maybe this will go right across the top. I'm going to go this way so I can get some of that green. Maybe cut this. Okay, that's filled in. And let's see, we can get this here. Filled in up there. Oh, pretty, pretty. And we'll get this sticky off me. Okay, so maybe I can get something over here. How about this little pretty flower garden? Or this little flower shop. I think I would like to put some boxes in here, although I do have lines to write in. save my boxes in case I want to use this in my planners. Okay, I think I want to put this couch in here. I don't know. I mean, everything is just so pretty. Isn't this girl the boss? I love her pose. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Okay, now this is the outside. Maybe we can have different stores, some shops. But these are paper. I think I want to stay with, these are paper. So I think I want to stay with some of the clear. Okay, this has the girl has a bottle of, a glass of wine in her hand, and you know what? This is, I think what I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to put her down here, but I'm going to put washi tape under her because she's kind of just standing around. I mean, she's not sitting in anything. I could have, I did bring these florals out. I brought these. I have this grid, and it matches with the flowers. And then I have this skinny, same colors, and then I have this floral. So I don't know. Maybe she'll look better with standing on this. Now, what else will we have here? I think I'm going to take this quote, or do I want to take these flowers just to put something down here? I don't know if I like that, and I think this is too big. These are going to be too big, I think. Should I put this chair over there? I don't know how that's... I think I'm going to put that chair over there. And I do want to put this bench with the flowers right there. Now, I'm not making a scene or anything. I'm just randomly putting things down. But I love this so much that I may write in here. So I think I'm going to leave some of these white places here. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think let me do this. Let me put I'm going to put a bench over here because I think it looks nice with these flowers over here. And I'm liking her. I'm liking that girl, and I think think I'm going to put this over here. And this girl nonchalantly walking or standing around. Now she doesn't have anything. Should we give her... This girl has a glass of wine. I think I'm going to put this quote, good looking. Good looking over there. I probably should have put good looking over here and this wine next to her. Let's see if I can get this up. Good looking is going to go down here. And I'm thinking I'm going to put this glass of wine. I am loving this, loving the way this turned out. So now we have to finish up with her. I think this is... Do I want to put this over here? Just to complete that bottom. I do. I want to put that there. Okay, now I think I want to put some of this washi over here. Should I put it underneath her feet as if it's a little sidewalk, just so I have it the same? No, I don't know. I think it's a little... I think I have to bring this up a little bit. Oh my gosh. Okay, now she's on the ground. Now she's standing on the ground. Oh my gosh, I'm loving the way this is turning out. Now, what else do we have here? I want to bring that mailbox in. Oh my goodness. There's so much I want to bring in here. I think I'm going to bring this in. Do what you say what you do. But then what else will I bring in here? Say what you do what you say. I like this calendar. my gosh, I just don't know what to bring in here. So much. There's so much. I can just bring these pretty flowers just randomly. Putting them down and around. I think this is looking so pretty. I'm loving this. So pretty. And I think I'm going to stop. Why does everything look so dark? Well, I know it just... Oh my gosh, look. I love this. I love the way this turned out. Maybe if I... Oh my goodness. I am loving this book. And this is what it is. It's a Sound of Wind. But you know, on Amazon, it's called something different. It's called something like, I don't know, but there's wind in it. It's called like Days of Wind or something. I don't know. But yeah, this is gorgeous. I love this book. Sound of Wind flower color. So thank you so much for coming along and joining me. I really appreciate it. And we'll talk again next time. Bye.